What's up YouTube, GB Trades here again for another day. Today's this January 16th and took a dub on both the alphas and the top steps. So yeah, I was able to, I decided to get some top step accounts and just pass them within 2 trades. So I did that last night. And I took a trade this morning targeting basically, I think this was London lows, this is midnight open. This is Asia lows as well. So that's why I targeted on the alphas. But on the top side I was trying to target previous daily low, which we got edged pretty badly, but that's okay. I pretty much trailed my stop for a 1 to 2 hour trade on this guy here. So let me go over the trade. So basically, let's go on the alphas. Same trade anyway, but let's see. Market open, we were pretty bullish, to be honest with you. We also had this 15-minute gap that we held pretty well. I'm going from all the way here actually. We also had this 15-minute gap over here, which got inverse, but I was looking all the way back here. So as you can see, we held that 15-minute gap pretty well at market open. 9:30 we pumped higher, we reject off of it, and then we somehow stalled for a bit and we decided to break down. So at this point I was considering maybe shorting somewhere here. So at around, I think around here, we made a gap, a 1-minute gap. So before I entered, I pretty much waited to see if we were going to reject off of this 1-minute gap. So I entered right about this candle around 9:45. I gave my stop loss a little bit of a breathing room, so I went for like a 50-point stop loss. And basically my target right here was supposed to be Asia lows, but at the same time it's already a 1 to 0.47 hour, and I only needed a 1 to 1 hour. So, and then my break-even point was this guy right here, this swing low right here. So I break even after that, and this trade pretty much took like 10 minutes. So there's a quick trade right here in the alphas. So at this point I need 2 more winning trades, at least 1,100 for me to request a payout. Yeah, I've been stuck on these accounts for a while because of the consistency rule. I haven't been able to consistently win on a daily basis, but that's what I'm gonna plan to do next week. And for the top step accounts, yeah, I was targeting previous daily low, which we got edge. That's why I decided to trail my stop for a 1 to 2 hour trade right about here. So I got stopped on this candle here around 10:24. But it is what it is. I mean, I could have been up 1 to 4 right now. Yeah, I would have been up by 1 to 4 if I stopped it right here. But I was going for the previous daily low. That was like my main draw on liquidity anyway, which is fine. I mean, a 1 to 2 is pretty good anyway. So yeah, those are my trades for the day. And for these accounts, I decided to put a $500 daily loss limit. So if I do hit this, it's going to automatically liquidate my positions, and I won't be able to trade until the next day. So that would basically mean that I can't really take stupid setups and just, you know, and wait for my setup, obviously. This way I won't be able to revenge trade as I did before, in where I blew that 10k payout. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do going forward. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys next week. Hope you have a good weekend. It's definitely a nice way to end the week on a dub. Unlike last week, I lost a couple times, but it is what it is. Alright, peace out.